How to open Arab National Bank account. To open Arab National Bank account, you have to simply launch the Arab National Bank application in this case. So let me just go ahead and then launch the application over here. Once you launch the ANB or the Arab National Bank app, this is the interface that you will be able to see. Wait until the app loads up completely. Once you've done that, you can simply skip through this process. Tap on Get Started. You want to create a new ANB account. So tap on the option that says Create ANB account that is visible for you over here. Once you tap on that option, it will take you to the next page where you can fill in with your ID number and your mobile number. What you need to open an account is a valid national ID or Iqama, registered on Absher and be at least 18 years of age, and a registration of a Saudi Post national address and linking a valid KSC mobile number with your ID. These are all the things that you need, so make sure that you have them. Agree to the terms and conditions and tap on the next option. Follow up with a couple of other instructions and you will be able to open your Arab National Bank account. That is all for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.